Are you riding your tractor? Oh, you're not, because it kind of looks like you're riding a tractor. Can you wave at Mommy? Say hi, Mommy.
Mimi.
Yeah, we're going to Mimi's tomorrow. Is that hard work, riding that tractor? It's not, huh? Huh, looks like it's pretty hard work. Where are you going, Munchkin? Oh yeah, the oven's hot. You're right, because Mommy's making pizza. Don't touch it, Squirt. Yeah, don't touch it. Keep going. Oh, you're going to turn around. Hi, can you wave again? Hi.
Mama.
Yeah, I'm your mama. What are you riding? Are you riding a tractor? You're silly. Okay, say bye. I'll see you later. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.